Hi guys, good day. This is Devaki from Bharat Fintech Solutions. As we know, Bharat Fintech Solutions is your digital financial consultant. Today, I'm going to take you through overview of financial planning, such as definition of finance, definition of personal finance, what do we mean by personal financial planning, why do we need to plan our personal finance, what are all the ways to plan our personal finance, and mentions the available financial instruments in the market. Guys, are we good to go? Yes, let's start with the definition of finance. Finance is defined as the management of money and includes activities such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving and forecasting. Firstly, we should know what is the management of money. In simple terms, management of money is the process of tracking our expenses. That is, how much money we are spending on our income. Investing is all about how much money we are saving for our short-term and long-term financial goals. And budgeting is all about the process of creating a plan to spend our money. In other terms, we could say budgeting is simply balancing our expenses with our income. Banking and assessing tax liabilities means the total amount of money we are accountable to pay as income tax liability to the government from our saving earnings such as salary, revenue from our businesses, interest on income from investments, capital gains, lottery winnings, etc. Next, we are going to see the definition of personal finance. Personal finance is also known as individual finance, and it is nothing but a process of planning and managing our financial activities such as income generation. For example, our salary, revenue from our business, rental incomes, etc. Spending, which is nothing but our expenses. Savings, investing and protection means how much money we are saving for our short-term goals, such as paying a premium for our life and general insurance, tax planning, school college fees, and for long-term goals such as buying a car, house, retirement planning, etc. Next, we jump into what do we mean by personal financial planning. Personal financial planning is all about realizing one's personal short-term and long-term financial goals and starts working and implementing them to achieve them through budgeting, savings, spending, etc. As an individual, we need to figure out what's our short-term and long-term financial goals. Once we're done figuring out the goals, we need to take action and implement those strategies through budgeting, saving, spending, etc. Next, we jump into why do we need to plan our finance. So, why do we need to plan our personal finance? Yes, you're correct. We need to plan our personal finance to achieve our short-term and long-term goals and desires. By the way, what short-term goals? What does it mean? Short-term goals are nothing but goals which is about to be fulfilled within a year. Examples: tax planning, school college fee, premium paying for term medical by car insurance, buying gifts for birthday, wedding anniversary for our loved ones, investing in ourselves through learning a new skill. Example, you can start an internship at learntoday.com and domestic travel, break free darshan to Tirupati, any hill station, etc. Buying any gadgets like Apple iPhone. Next, what is long-term goals? Long-term goals are nothing but goals which is about to be fulfilled 1 year and above. Examples, buying car, bike, buying any real estate property such as plot, house, farmhouse, and planning for our retirements, saving for our child's college education, marriage, investing in ourselves by starting and running a startup company, travel abroad such as Dubai, US, UK, etc. and becoming debt free. Next, we are going to see what are all the ways to plan our finance and mentions the available instruments in the market. Firstly, we should know the various steps involved to plan our finance. Identify your current financial situation. We need to identify our current financial situation, which means how much we are earning, spending, saving, etc. Secondly, identify your goals. Identify your goals means we need to identify what's our short-term and long-term goals to achieve. Thirdly, identify financial gaps. Financial gaps, which means does our current financial situation will be okay for meeting our goals. Otherwise, we need to investigate and implement some other strategies to achieve it. Fourthly, we need to prepare our personal financial plan. Please refer to slide 4, hence we already discussed this. Fifthly, implement your financial plan. We need to implement our financial plan that we have already made based on the above point. And finally, we need to periodically review our plan. Next, we are going to know the available financial instrument in the market. What are the available financial instrument in the market? Savings bank account, money market funds, or otherwise known as liquid funds, bank fixed deposits, bank FDs, post office savings schemes, public provident fund, company fixed deposits, bonds and debentures, mutual funds, life insurance policies, equity shares. A big thank you and best wishes from your Bharat Fintech Solutions, your digital financial consultant, to achieve your financial goals by learning and investing in any of the market available instruments mentioned in slide 9 to achieve your short-term and long-term financial goals. Thank you.